So for the schools that are on the fence about working with Learnlife, I can say we have had a lot of those conversations in the beginning around, maybe this school is too different from our setting and we won't be able to make that jump from what they're doing here to what we're doing. And I can say that there's a lot that you can take back to your school. And it's really, the future of education is really, we know now, the changing landscape of education. These skills are more critical than ever for kids. And so schools, I think we really need to be shifting education in this way and to think about how kids are growing their skills as autonomous learners. And it just feels more critical than ever. So if you can get beyond that idea that our school will never be Learnlife is a special place in itself, as is every school. And so we need to think about which pieces that they're doing really well here that are unique to Learnlife that you can take to your school. And there's a lot that you can take from what we're learning here during our training. That's really valuable, is being able to translate what they're doing at Learnlife into different contexts. And I think we can see how to take these pieces in and put them into what we're doing in our own school. And I think that's really special, because sometimes when you go to a training, you can say, okay, that's great, but we're never going to be able to do that in our school. And with this, we can see and have conversations around which pieces we can bring back. Yeah, I think our teachers are very motivated in being here at this training, because they're excited. It's like you see the passion in their, why they become educators. You sort of see that reignited in them when they're around the kids in this environment. They remember why they became teachers, why they're so excited about education, and sort of reignites that, which I think is exciting to see. And then just having the time to work together, and already they're saying, we're having side conversations. Oh, we should try this, or maybe we could start with this. So I think it's fun for them to see and to have the opportunity to see things a little bit differently when you get out of your own school setting and then bring those ideas back.